हेलो गाइस, उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। गाइस इस वीडियो में आज हम कैसीनो के एक फ्री ट्रायल्स गेम खेलने वाले हैं। जितने पैसे हम अर्न करेंगे, जितने हम विड्रॉ करेंगे, सब मैं आपको बताऊंगा, दिखाऊंगा और हम इंजॉय करने वाले। आज सही है, आज हम लाखों करोड़ कमाएंगे, शायद कमाएंगे या नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ी सी तो कमाई करनी पड़ेगी। तो तकरीबन 10 के आसपास तो मैं कमाई करके रहूँगा। आज की कोशिश हमारी रहेगी कि हमारा जो टारगेट है वो हम 10 के, 20 के, 50 के या 5 के तक हम मिनिमम जाएंगे। सही है, तो बिना टाइम किए वेस्ट थैंक यू। जो चल रहे हैं आप सामने देख सकते हैं, बेट स्टार्ट किए गए हैं। Hi everyone, in today's video, I am flying a demo trial version of a casino style. Game is just for fun and entertainment, no real money involved, and I don't promote gambling of any kind. Let's see and what's happened this past.
I look at what's in front of me, don't focus on the other things. I know that if I'm struggling, that only leads to a job for me. And I need something that could challenge me, build up all my calluses, push through all their callousness. Becoming reckless, I'm ambitious and I'm restless, yeah. Was an apprentice but possessed a different engine, so I asked a lot of questions and I learned a lot of lessons, yeah. Got different weapons and I worked on my direction, yeah. We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name. We gon' fight through the pain, we gon' rise up and change. We gon' strive to make gains, cause we don't hide from the blame. We take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change. We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name. We gon' fight through the pain, we gon' rise up and change. We gon' strive to make gains, we don't hide from the pain. We take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change. Cause the more I work, the more I take off. I don't lack direction, I'm never lost. Always on play, never hit pause. And I teach classes on these things. Lessons came through lyrically, but now I think it's time to be professor of the finer things, to guide the next to try and be proactively trying things in the shadows quietly, building their own dynasty. And we gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die.